Port Control Alpha, Port Control Alpha. This is MB Habagat. How do you read me?
MB Habagat, this is Port Control Alpha. I heard you excellent, loud and clear. Change your channel into 1-2, over.
Port Control Alpha, changing channel 1-2, over.
MB Habagat, this is Port Control Alpha. What is your ETA at pilot station?
Port Control Alpha, my ETA at pilot station is 2300 hour, local time.
MB Habagat, what is your call sign, over?
Port Control Alpha, my call sign is Hotel Alpha Bravo Alpha Golf Alpha Tango, over.
MB Habagat, what was your last port of call and gross tonnage?
Port Control Alpha, my last port of call was on Manila and my gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons.
MB Habagat, do you carry any dangerous cargo, over?
Port Control Alpha, yes, I carry dangerous goods, 2.5 liters of IMDG class 3.
MB Habagat, your message is understood. You must call when you pass Alpha Island on channel 1-2, over.
Port Control Alpha, can we pass Alpha Island, channel 1-2, over.
MB Habagat, standby channel 1016 on 1-2, out.